Hi, my name is ALIM Seytof. I'm the director of Uyghur service at Radio Free Asia. For the past 26 years, Radio Free Asia Uyghur service have been uncovering China's atrocities, human rights violations against the Uyghur people in the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. Since 2017, Radio Free Asia Uyghur Service's groundbreaking reports on China's atrocities against the Uyghurs, including the mass detention of more than 1.8 million Uyghurs and the horrific treatment of the Uyghur women, rape, sterilizations, and the building out of more than 100 concentration camps in the Uyghur homeland. As a result of our groundbreaking reports, the first Trump administration determined that China is committing genocide and crimes against humanity against the Uyghur people.
We've come down to the floor multiple times over the last few weeks trying to push for the passage of our bipartisan Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act. Just for those who are not familiar with it at this point, it basically says that you can't import products into the United States that are made by slave labor.
And the United Nations also released a report that indicating what China has been doing may constitute crimes against humanity. Without RFA Uyghur coverage, the Chinese government would have already won its own narrative that America is lying about the atrocities. Without RFA Uyghur service reporting on the Uyghur region, the international community would have never known what is happening to the Uyghur people.